It's your girl Danielle, and I'm back again with another video. Today I will be doing a hair review. You guys will just watch me pretty much install the wig, and then at the end I think I'm going to talk to you guys. So yeah. Right now this is the hair in its dry state, y'all. I love big hair, so like anytime a company sends me like a curly like unit or anything like that, I love to just like comb it out and have it big. I love big hair. Like I absolutely love big hair. I feel like it looks the best on me. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into this video. So this is the wig. So far all I did was pluck it. I'm about to spray the lace. It is a transparent HD lace. I plucked it, so now I'm just gonna go in and spray it, and then we're just gonna go ahead and put it on.
Day and night, day. All I got to say is, if I was your girl, all the things I do to you, I'd make you call up my name, might ask who it belongs to. If I was your woman, the things I do to you, but I'm not, so I can't, and I won't. But if I was your girl, you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close. silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me, waking up. Now you never said I couldn't you touch. I needed to.
Okay, y'all, so I had to do my edges off camera because I just couldn't. Like, I was struggling and I just could not. Yeah, this is what we look like. This is what it looks like dry. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna wet it, but I love big hair, so like I would normally probably just leave it like this, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna wet it. But first, before I get into that, let me tell you guys everything that came inside of the bag. So this is the bag that everything came in. It's really cute. They gave me a pack of lashes as well as a pack of wig caps, which is really nice. Thank you. This hair is so freaking nice, y'all. It's so soft. It was so easy to work with. Again, I said I had struggled with the edges, but that was my own thing. Like, I'm trying to master edges for real. So that was me. That had nothing to do with the company. This was bomb. Let me wet the hair real fast and then I'm gonna come back to you guys.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth, and take you there. Take you, show you something, give you more than.
Okay, y'all, so I just wet the hair and let me just say, like, I doubted this hair, okay? Like, not in the like sense of quality. I just usually don't really care for like curly hair on me. Like, I like curly hair on me, I just like it big, like I said before. But this is so cute. Like, it is so cute and full. When I washed it, I don't think I was really paying that much attention, but it didn't feel as full as it does like right now. Like, this is so cute. This gives me like Miami Beach vibes. Like, this gives me like you finna go somewhere with like a beach or like somewhere with water. Like, this is so dope. This is cute. I'm really feeling this.
I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth, take you there.
This hair is so beautiful. Like, I am just in love. Like, I love it when it's dry. I love it when it's wet like this. Like, it's just giving. It's giving exactly what it's supposed to give. So this right here is a 13x4 transparent lace frontal Brazilian virgin curly water wave wig. That is a mouthful. But basically, it's a 13x4 transparent water wave wig, y'all. And it is beautiful. I don't know how to say the name correctly. Either it's SIYUN or SIYUN hair, but y'all, this hair is so dope. Like, yes. And then on top of that, y'all, they had amazing customer service. I spoke with the lady, we talked back and forth, and like, she talked me through everything and anything, like, you know, that I needed or whatever. Answer all my questions. Just like amazing customer service. Y'all, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next